Hi there, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show in Seattle with Anne Patterson. She's
Hello.
the author of ETF, the Truth About ETF Rotation, and also your trading company's Own Mountain Trading, right?
That is correct.
Excellent. So you rotate between, you look for strength in the main indices of the U.S. stock market, Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, as well as treasuries, and then emerging markets and the EFA is it's just the
developed markets.
Developed markets, mostly Europe, right?
Yes,
okay.
That's correct.
So, how are you finding where the strength is? What's the system?
Well, what I'm looking for is momentum, what has performed well over the last 6 months or so. So I look at very simply the percentage gain, or otherwise known as the rate of change indicator.
ROC, you call it.
ROC.
ROC.
Yeah, and I rank the funds that represent the indices that I'm interested in. I just rank them by their ROC and see who comes out on top.
How often are you making adjustments to that? And what's the length of the ROC you're looking at?
The length of the ROC is 114 trading days, so it's about 6 months.
And that number you've gotten to from testing and...
Yes, and also looking at historical simulations and also experience of trading this now for several years. And so I look at it once a week.
Okay.
It doesn't change once a week.
Weekend, though.
Yeah.
Not in the middle of the week.
Right.
Whatever they did for that week, they're high.
So every week there's about a 6-month window going back that I look at how they performed, how they stacked up. And then I take the top segment of that and I want to be invested in that.
And how many different ETFs are you looking at?
Generally two. Oh, excuse me. I'm holding two. Looking at 7.
7 you're comparing. So
yeah.
DIA, SPY, QQQ, TLT.
Not QQQ,
no.
But SPY, MDY,
MDY
for the mid caps, and IWM for the
Russells.
Small cap,
right.
And TLT for long bonds, AGG for the whole mixture of domestic bonds.
ETF for bonds.
Yeah, and EEM for emerging markets, and EFA for developed markets internationally.
Here we are in June of 2019. Where's the strength right now?
What I'm seeing right now is the strength in large cap and mid cap stocks in the U.S.
So that means you're holding the diamonds and spiders right now.
I am holding, yes, the equivalent to the spiders and the MDY, the mid caps.
The MDY. Okay.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah, it seems they've performed well. They look poised. Well, they look like they're thinking about what to do from my own
and let's say
analysis.
Next week, what might change? What do you think would cause you to move out of that?
Well, if, for example, the stock market went down abruptly, the bonds will tend to pick up. That would cause a change. Once my funds drop from the top ranking, then I'll change.
Seems to be what might be on the horizon.
That really could happen, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's definite possibility, but I'll just wait until the indicators tell me what to do.
Stick to the system.
That's it.
Excellent. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you.